Part 1. Entering a busy coffee shop and deciding whether to order at the counter or table.
Excuse me, should I order at the counter?
Yes, you order at the counter. Right here.
Can I order at the table?
No, we don't do table service. Just come to the counter and join the line.
Okay, I'll have a small coffee, please.
Sorry, did you say small coffee?
Sorry, I mean a large coffee.
No problem. Do you want it here or takeaway?
Here, please. I'm sitting near the window.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. That's $4, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Your drink will be ready soon. We'll call your name.
Great, thank you.
Enjoy your coffee.
Part 2. Ordering an espresso drink and choosing size, milk, and sweetness.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
I'd like an espresso drink, please. A latte, maybe.
Sure. What size would you like?
Can I get a medium?
Medium. Got it. What kind of milk do you want?
Oat milk, please. And can you make it less sweet?
Of course. Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. Sorry, did you say small?
No, medium, please.
Thanks. So that's a medium latte with oat milk, less sweet and hot.
Yes, that's right.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. That'll be $4.75.
Here you go. That'll be all. Thanks.
Thanks. Your latte will be ready in just a moment.
Part 3. Customizing a drink because of a dairy allergy or caffeine preference.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Sure. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. I can't have dairy.
No problem. Do you want oat milk or almond milk?
Do you have oat milk?
Yes, we do. So, a medium hot latte with oat milk?
Sorry, I mean oat milk. Can I get decaf instead? Caffeine is too strong for me.
Of course. So, that's one medium decaf latte with oat milk, right?
Yes, that's right.
Would you like it light or is regular okay?
Regular is fine. That works for me.
Great. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Perfect. I'll get that started for you now.
Part 4. Asking the barista about the origin of the beans and brewing method.
Hi. Can I ask about your coffee before I order?
Sure. What would you like to know?
Where are the beans from?
They come from Colombia. It's a light roast, so it tastes mild and a little sweet.
Okay, that sounds good. Is it fresh?
Yes, we grind it fresh every day.
Nice. How do you brew it?
We use a filter brew. Do you mean the drip coffee, or do you want espresso?
The drip coffee, please. I don't want anything too strong.
Right, the drip coffee. It's milder than espresso, and the light roast keeps it smooth.
Good. So it comes from Colombia, and you brew it with a filter, right?
Exactly. Colombia beans, filter brew.
Yes, that sounds good. Can I get that one, please?
Of course. 1 drip coffee with Colombian beans. Anything else for you?
No, that's everything. That helps, thanks.
Great. Coming right up.
Part 5. Waiting for the order and checking whether the drink belongs to you.
Excuse me. Is my drink ready yet?
What name is on the order?
Mark.
Okay, I have 2 drinks here. One is a large iced tea for Mark, and one is a small hot coffee.
Is this mine?
Which one do you mean?
The iced tea. I ordered a small coffee, not tea.
Oh, sorry. That one is not yours.
Okay, then the coffee is mine.
Yes, the small hot coffee is yours. Here you go.
Great. This one is mine.
Right. The iced tea is for another customer.
Thanks for checking.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too.
Part 6. Requesting the Wi-Fi password and asking where it is acceptable to work.
Hi. Could I get a medium coffee, please?
Sure. 1 medium coffee.
Thanks. Could I get the Wi-Fi password?
Of course. It's morning 42.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Sure. It's morning 42. MORNING. Then 42.
So, the password is morning42, right?
That's right.
Great. Where is it okay to work here?
You can work at that table or any table in the back.
Can I sit here and work for a while?
Yes. It is okay for a while.
Do you have a quiet place near an outlet?
Yes. You can use the outlet by the wall.
Perfect. Thanks. That helps a lot.
Sure. I'll bring your coffee over.
Part 7. Politely asking another customer whether the empty seat is free.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Oh yes. Think so.
Sorry, is anyone sitting here?
No, no one is sitting here.
So I can take it?
Yes, you can take it.
Oh, sorry, I just wanted to check.
That's okay. I'm just waiting for my friend.
Oh, I see. Thanks for telling me.
Sure. Go ahead.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem.
I'll sit down here.
Okay. Part 8. Reporting that a drink was made incorrectly and asking for it to be remade.
Excuse me. I think there is a mistake with my drink.
Oh, I'm sorry. What seems to be wrong?
This is not the drink I ordered. It has milk in it.
Sorry about that. You wanted it black, right?
Yes, black coffee. No milk, no sugar.
And you wanted it hot, not iced?
Right hot, please.
Okay, so it should be a hot black coffee with no milk and no sugar.
Yes, that's right. Could you make it again, please?
Of course. I'll make a new one now.
Thank you for telling me.
Just a moment, please. Here you go. A new hot black coffee, no milk, no sugar.
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Part 9. Buying a bag of coffee beans and asking for grind recommendations.
Hi. I'd like a bag of coffee beans, please.
Sure. We have a few options. What kind of coffee maker do you use?
I use a drip coffee maker. It has a paper filter.
Perfect. Then I recommend a medium grind. It works really well with a drip maker.
Medium grind. Not too fine, right?
Yes, that's right. A fine grind is for espresso. Medium is better for your filter.
Okay, that makes sense. I'll take that one.
Great choice. Would you like the beans whole, or should I grind them for you?
Could you grind it for me? That's easier.
Of course. I'll grind it to medium right now.
That sounds good. Thanks.
Here you go, 1 bag medium grind, fresh and ready.
Perfect. Can I pay by card?
Yes, absolutely. The total is $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks for the help.